Welcome to Easy Power, where power is engineered and performance is guaranteed. Built for professionals, trusted where reliability matters most. When uninterrupted power is required, Easy Power generators lead the way. A complete range of power solutions, including diesel generators and advanced power options, designed for continuous and demanding use. From industrial operations to commercial environments, Easy Power delivers stable and dependable energy. Available in silent and soundless generator variants, providing strong power with low noise operation. Powerful, efficient, engineered to perform when it matters the most. Easy Power water pumps are built for strength and reliability. High pressure performance, smooth and consistent water flow. Designed to operate in tough conditions and support professional daily use. When movement of water is critical, Easy Power delivers with confidence. Easy Power power washers bring controlled cleaning power. High pressure performance for effective and professional cleaning results. From heavy-duty surfaces to detailed cleaning tasks, Easy Power ensures visible results. Easy Power electric power tools are designed for precision and durability. Powerful drills, reliable grinders, concrete cutters, heavy-duty vibrators, built for continuous operation and demanding work environments. Performance you can feel, control you can trust. Power you can trust. Quality-driven engineering, tested for real-world performance. Stands for confidence in every solution we deliver. Across the United Arab Emirates, Easy Power supports professionals, delivering dependable power solutions where performance is expected. Thank you for choosing Easy Power, your partner in power. Performance, reliability.